To modify the background, touch the canvas on the editing main screen. In the canvas design, you can change the background to the required ratio. Touch the screen or playback icon to play or pause the video. Use pinch to zoom in on the screen or move your finger to adjust the position. Choose a background provided for free in the Tenada app. Backgrounds are classified by theme, making it easy to find the desired feeling. If you want to cancel your background selection, press Undo at the top. If you want to select a video stored on your phone, press the gallery icon. If you want to output an image transparently without inserting an image, select the transparent background icon. When you save it, the photo is saved as a PNG file with a transparent background, and the video is saved as a chroma key video with a green background. Add a simple animation to the background. Choose the desired animation and move the slider to adjust how long it will start and how long the animation will last. Three means that the background will move for the first 3 seconds. You can also choose the range in which the background moves. The higher the number, the more the background is enlarged and moves.